welcome to Pegasus Academy. Do you want to learn in a way that is fun?
Well, in this COVID time, don't you think to take or to get a tuition teacher, is it a viable decision? Online teachers are not available, right? Or either they are available, they are not subject expert. So here comes Pegasus Academy with your specialized subject teachers. So I think that will solve all your problems.
At Pegasus Academy, children are learning faster and better with practical approach. Listen to them.
Hello friends! Pegasus Academy has a new way of teaching us by way of experiments. These experiments are super fun and are just like learning while having fun. When we do these experiments ourselves, we tend to remember them more and are way better than just reading books. I had recently done an experiment on the water cycle, which helped me understand the basics. Pegasus Academy ensures that you have strong concepts and better knowledge about the subject.